120 plus Happy Republic Day 2024 wishes, quotes to share with friends and family. Today is Republic Day, a very important day for our country. It's not just a regular date on the calendar, it's the day when our constitution came into effect in 1950, making India a democratic and sovereign republic. As we approach Republic Day 2024 75th, there's a lot of excitement. It's a time to think about our country, come together, and celebrate. One great way to show our pride is by sharing heartfelt wishes, inspiring quotes, and nice pictures with our friends and family. Best Republic Day 2024 wishes to share now. Happy Republic Day. May the spirit of freedom inspire us to build a future that is prosperous, just, and inclusive for all. On Republic Day, let's pledge to uphold the ideals of our Constitution and work towards a brighter and more harmonious India. Jai Hind. Wishing you a day filled with patriotic spirit, joy, and the warmth of family and friends. Happy Republic Day to you and your loved ones. May the pride of being Indian fill your heart with joy and gratitude. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. As we celebrate our nation's essence, let's remember the sacrifices that shaped our destiny. Happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. May the flag always wave high, symbolizing the strength, courage, and unity of our great nation. On Republic Day, let's honor the visionaries who shaped our destiny and work towards a future that reflects their ideals. Jai Hind. Wishing you a Republic Day filled with moments of pride, joy, and the company of loved ones. Celebrate the spirit of India. Happy Republic Day. May the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity guide us on the path of progress and unity. As we rejoice in the celebration of Republic Day, let's renew our commitment to building a nation that stands tall in its diversity. Jai Hind. Wishing you and your family a happy Republic Day. May the flag always symbolize the strength, unity, and pride of our great nation. On Republic Day, let's appreciate our freedom, remember the values of democracy, and celebrate the togetherness that makes our nation great. Have a happy Republic Day. Wishing you a day full of pride, honor, and joy for being part of an amazing nation. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. May the flag always stand tall, representing the bravery and sacrifices of our ancestors. Happy Republic Day. While enjoying being Indians, let's also remember the responsibility that comes with our freedom. Happy Republic Day to you and your loved ones. Happy Republic Day. Let our different cultures come together like a beautiful tapestry, and our shared dreams guide us to a better future. On this special day, let's honor the heroes who shaped our country and take on the responsibility of continuing their legacy. Have a happy Republic Day. May the ideas of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity lead us in building a stronger and more harmonious nation. Happy Republic Day. Wishing you a Republic Day filled with pride, honor, and the warmth of family and friends. Let's celebrate the spirit of India together. Happy Republic Day. Today, let's be thankful for the gift of freedom and strive to contribute to our beloved country's progress. On Republic Day, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our diversity and the strength that comes from our unity. Happy Republic Day. May the flag always remind us of the strength and determination that define our nation. Wishing you a joyful Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. May the principles of our Constitution continue to guide us towards a future of peace, prosperity, and unity. Wishing you and your family a Republic Day filled with pride, honor, and the joy of being part of this incredible nation. Jai Hind. As we celebrate democracy's triumph, let's strive to be responsible citizens and contribute to our nation's progress. Happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day wishes for friends. On Republic Day, let's celebrate the lively spirit of our nation and appreciate the values that make us proud Indians. Happy Republic Day. Wishing you a day filled with pride, honor, and love for our country. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. May the flag always fly high and fill our hearts with the feeling of freedom. Happy Republic Day to all. Let's honor the sacrifices made by our heroes and take joy in the glory of our great nation. Happy Republic Day. As we celebrate the day our Constitution came into effect, let's follow the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Happy Republic Day. May the pride and joy of being an Indian fill your heart today and always. Happy Republic Day to you and your loved ones. On this special day, let's remember the brave souls who fought for our freedom and honor their legacy. Happy Republic Day. Wishing you a day filled with togetherness, diversity, and the spirit of being Indian. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. May the flag inspire us to work for a better and brighter future for our nation. Happy Republic Day. Let's take a moment to be grateful for the gift of freedom and commit to building a stronger, progressive India. Happy Republic Day. Today, let's celebrate the unity in our diversity and take pride in being part of this incredible nation. Happy Republic Day. May the spirit of love for our country brighten your heart and guide you towards a brighter tomorrow. Happy Republic Day to you and your loved ones. As we raise our flags high, let's remember the responsibility that comes with the privilege of being an Indian. Happy Republic Day. On this day, let's honor the visionaries who shaped our Constitution and strive to live up to their ideals. Happy Republic Day. May the flag fill your life with the colors of joy, peace, and prosperity. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. Wishing you a day filled with pride, joy, and a deep sense of belonging to this great nation. Happy Republic Day. Let's celebrate the success of democracy and the values that make our country truly special. Happy Republic Day to all. May the spirit of unity and brotherhood continue to strengthen the fabric of our nation. Happy Republic Day. On this Republic Day, let's renew our commitment to building a better and brighter future for our beloved India. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. As we celebrate the day our Constitution was adopted, let's cherish the freedom it grants us and work towards a more inclusive society. Happy Republic Day. May the echo on Republic Day, let's celebrate the lively spirit of our nation and appreciate the values that make us proud Indians. Happy Republic Day. Happy Republic Day for family. Wishing you a day filled with pride, honor, and love for our country. Happy Republic Day to you and your family. May the flag always fly high and fill our hearts with the feeling of freedom. Happy Republic Day to all. Let's honor the sacrifices made by our heroes and take joy in the glory of our great nation. Happy Republic Day. As we celebrate the day our Constitution came into effect, let's follow the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Happy Republic Day.